The year is 451 AD. The Roman Empire, once the pinnacle of power and unity, is now a realm of fragmented borders and shifting alliances. Within this turbulent landscape, an even greater conflict brews, not of swords or shields, but of ideas and faith. Welcome to the Council of Chalcedon, where the fate of Christianity hung in the balance. Situated across the Bosporus from Constantinople, Chalcedon was an ideal meeting place for what would become one of the most consequential gatherings in Christian history. Here, over 520 bishops assembled, summoned by Emperor Marcian and Empress Pulcheria. Their mission? To resolve a theological controversy that threatened to tear the Church apart. At the heart of the conflict was a profound question: who is Jesus Christ? Was he divine, human, or both? And if both, how did his divine and human natures coexist? These were not mere academic debates, they were battles of belief, shaping how millions would understand salvation and God himself. In the decades leading up to Chalcedon, two opposing views emerged. On one side stood the followers of Nestorius, who emphasized the distinctness of Christ's two natures, divine and human. To them, calling Mary Theotokos, God-bearer, risked downplaying Christ's humanity. On the other side were the monophysites, led by Eutyches. They argued that Christ's human nature was absorbed by his divine nature, leaving only one divine essence. These opposing views ignited fierce debates and even violence, culminating in the controversial Second Council of Ephesus in 449 AD. Often called the Robber Council, it supported the monophysite position and deposed many bishops who opposed it. The resulting chaos demanded a definitive resolution. Enter the Council of Chalcedon. The council began on October 8, 451. It was one of the largest gatherings of bishops in history, representing the diverse regions of the Christian world. Over the course of weeks, they reviewed doctrines, debated fiercely, and sought unity. Central to the council's proceedings was a letter from Pope Leo I, known as the Tome of Leo. This document provided a clear framework. Christ was one person with two natures, fully divine and fully human, united without confusion, change, division, or separation. The bishops debated vigorously, but the Tome of Leo gained widespread support. It offered a balanced solution that rejected both Nestorianism and monophysitism. On October 23, 451, the council issued its defining statement, the Chalcedonian definition. It declared Jesus Christ to be truly God and truly man, with two natures inseparably united in one person. This doctrine became the cornerstone of Orthodox Christian belief. Yet, not everyone accepted the council's conclusions. Several Eastern churches, particularly in Egypt and Syria, rejected the Chalcedonian definition, leading to enduring schisms. These churches, often called Oriental Orthodox, remain distinct to this day. The Council of Chalcedon left a lasting legacy. It clarified Christology, strengthened the authority of ecumenical councils, and shaped the course of Christian theology for centuries. But its impact extended beyond doctrine. It revealed the power and peril of faith's intersection with politics, culture, and identity. In the end, the Council of Chalcedon was more than a meeting of bishops. It was a testament to the enduring quest for truth and unity in the face of division. It reminds us that the questions of faith are not easily answered, but are worth the struggle. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history. The Council of Chalcedon, a moment where theology, history, and humanity converged.